Welcome to another 227 volts production. I'm your presenter, Justin Rodino. One of the new cool features of Windows 7 is Problem Steps Recorder. However, not everybody will be familiar with Problem Steps Recorder, so what other ways and what other options do we have in order to get problem information to us? Well, luckily, in Word 2010, there's the ability to do just that. What I'm going to do is start up Word 2010, and I'm going to start up my favorite stock viewer application here. We can see initially it says I must be an administrator to run this application. That's okay, I know that. However, what's happening is when I go to my trend view, I can see that this error is popping up. I'm not apt enough to know how to take a screen capture. However, if I go back to Word 2010 and I want to paste this screen capture in, not knowing how to take it, I simply hit Insert, Screenshot. There's my screenshot of my application. Now if I want, I can type some more information about what's going wrong. I can save this and then I can send off my favorite Word document. One thing to be aware of though, however, the application has to be maximized. So for example, if I go here to my blog, back to Word, and I say Insert, Screenshot, I've got the ability to insert a screenshot of my blog. If I go minimize my blog now, go back to Word, and try and insert that, I don't have the ability to anymore. Word has to be aware that the application is maximized or at least visible. Alternatively, I've also got the ability here to take a screen clipping of whatever I'd like. So if maybe it's something down here in my system tray, I can take a screen clipping in my system tray. That will then insert itself into Word. I hope you've enjoyed this piece today, and visit us soon again at 227volts.com. Thanks.